For customers querying what is literal and lateral, we have a simple song to help you remember the differential. In short, we do roof lights, both portrait and landscape circles, so in case you need reminding, here it is, most digestible. We do practical, horizontal, orientational, directional, options for your frames depending on your preferential. And in case you never realise, there is a simple, systematical, beautiful and memorable song to keep you most pragmatical. This is portrait and that is landscape, and back to this portraitical. Portraitical is not a word, but neither is landscapesical. So this is portrait and that is landscape, it is most rememberable. Just use this song to help you choose the best shape applicable. We also do a symmetrical quadrilateral that we just call a square.